By the name of Almighty Allah. My heart beats up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So as if now I am a man, so deep when I shall go, or let me die. The child is color of man, and I could wish my dear to respectable teacher, honorable guest, and my dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respectable teacher, today I am going to the topic of child is color of man. Respectable teacher, childhood is the most impressionable of a man's life. It is apparent when his essential character has been shared. The qualities which a child inherits from his parent and society combined with those which he develops as a reason of his upbringing began to manifest themselves in the early according to the poet artist. सूरज ने दिया अपने सुहावों को ये पैगाम, सूरज ने दिया अपने सुहावों को ये पैगाम, दुनिया है अजब चीज, कभी सुबह कभी शाम. However, every child depends on this stage for a successful life. If he found good parents, good teachers, if he spent on he will become a successful man for the future. Child is the best of man, just like son is the best of him. However, teacher, similarly, every child will become father and friend as children, mentally and physically, and prepare his children for the challenges to come exactly on the same way. When these children rear into fatherhood, that brings your children to become father of the nation. My dear fellows, all the facilities, peaceful environment, and a good teacher are available. Now it is our responsibility to achieve proper education, and then we become a good father for the future, to help the